So you're in Cardiff, you're walking down the high street, shopping centre, wherever. You going out to get some food, and you've got a bad stomach, and you soil your pants. And this can happen to anyone, embarrassing or not, can happen to anyone. So you think, oh God, I'll clean myself up, I'm going to buy myself a new pair of pants. No. So, but what you can do is you can pop to the nearest off license and buy yourself a bottle of whiskey and drown your sorrows. I've tried to explain this to people a lot over the past few decades, actually, about the families involved in the alcohol trade, and obviously the tax involved in alcohol is so high. Of course, they're not going to shut the off licenses, and also the social disorder that would follow with people out rioting in the streets if they couldn't get their booze. So, but that's the point about the lack of care that this Zionist government have for people, just for people, especially the elderly or the vulnerable. Because now in Wales, if you have a little accident, you can't go and buy yourself a pair of pants. But of course you can go and buy yourself a nice bottle of whiskey, go home and get smashed and forget about it. And that's how caring the British government, the Welsh government, or Welsh Assembly, I should say, is for its people. We had this in Spain for the first few weeks, where only essential, what they deemed essential supplies were available, and they'd boarded off everything else. So you couldn't get pants, socks, tools, tape. It's astonishing what they're putting people through. And if I was in Wales at the moment, well, I'd be wanting to leave, and I guess a lot of people would be, because it's like the British, they won't band together and fight because they've forgotten how, and they don't have any guns because they handed them over. How fucking stupid was that? Cheers, everyone.